After Dmitry Rogozin stated that America should use broomsticks to fly to space if they broke faith with Russia amidst the Ukraine-Russian war, Elon Musk proved that SpaceX would be America's broomstick. In this video, we will be discussing Elon Musk's original idea to end Russia's dominance in space and how he plans to make SpaceX a vital participant in space. So let's get started. To begin with, Dmitry Rogozin, the Director General of Russia's space agency, Roscosmos, has previously expressed appreciation for Musk, but the two have a long-standing feud. Musk has promoted SpaceX as a viable alternative to Roscosmos services to the International Space Station. As Russian President Vladimir Putin's offense on Ukraine became more intense, Elon Musk dared Putin to a fistfight over Ukraine's future. He offered himself in a combat in which Ukraine was at stake. Russia's space chief Dmitry Rogozin took shots at SpaceX CEO Elon Musk on Twitter shortly after Musk dared Russian President Vladimir Putin to single combat. According to insiders' translation of Dmitry Rogozin's tweet to Musk, he meant, "Too weak to compete with me. It would only be a waste of time. Overtake my brother first." This isn't the first time the Russian space head has had a Twitter spat with Musk. Since Russia invaded Ukraine, the two have swapped Twitter exchanges, highlighting a long-standing competition of Russia versus SpaceX. It will surprise you that Dmitry and Musk initially had a good relationship, where they even met to eat. We will soon be discussing the prospect Dmitry saw in Elon Musk SpaceX and the potentials he believes Elon Musk SpaceX will bring to the space table. Furthermore, following Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the United States president unveiled sanctions on Russia and highlighted that they would bear the consequences since Russia chose war. The new sanctions, according to Biden, will shut off central Russian banks and corporations from the Western financial system and limit technological exports to Russia, a move that will hit Russia's military and aerospace industry. Biden emphasized that NATO members and other world leaders will collaborate to inflict heavy penalties on Russia. Thumbs up if you agree with President Joe Biden's sanction on Russia amidst the Ukraine-Russia war. Moving on, Dmitry Rogozin threatened on Twitter to halt collaboration on the International Space Station in response to the restrictions by the United States. Rogozin, notorious for his hyperbolic retorts, said, "If you block cooperation with us, we will save the ISS from an uncontrolled deorbit and fall into the United States or Europe. There is also the option of dropping a 500-ton structure in India and China. Do you want to threaten them with such a prospect? The ISS does not fly over Russia, so all the risks are yours." However, Elon Musk SpaceX claims that they can step in to help the ISS avoid space debris and maintain its altitude. Musk responded to Rogozin's hypothetical query by merely posting the SpaceX logo on Twitter, implying that SpaceX will save the world if Russia pulls away from the International Space Station. Again, Dmitry Rogozin said on Russian state television, "In a situation like this, we can't supply the United States with our world's best rocket engines. Let them fly on something else. They're broomsticks. I don't know what." Of course, Musk never misses a blow that directly or indirectly affects him. We will soon disclose Musk's response to Dmitry Rogozin's comments about not supplying rocket engines to the US and expecting them to travel to space on broomsticks, so stay tuned. Russian spaceships attached to the International Space Station are used to change the flying laboratory's track and maintain it high enough within low Earth orbit so it wouldn't fall from the sky. Musk says SpaceX Dragon capsules might serve the same role with a bit of rearrangement. Elon Musk's SpaceX has been working for years to meet the International Space Station's standard for Russian rocket technology, while lowering its transportation expenses. NASA's complete reliance on Russian Soyuz rockets ended in 2020. Roscosmos lost billions of dollars when Elon Musk SpaceX flew NASA astronauts from American soil for the first time in decades. Dmitry Rogozin initially believed in the potential of Elon Musk's SpaceX. He was even a self-proclaimed devotee of Elon Musk's SpaceX barely a few months ago. Nonetheless, due to the Russia versus SpaceX saga, SpaceX has become a hindrance to Russia, especially with their ambitions of Ukraine. Dmitry Rogozin has previously expressed that Elon Musk recognizes most of the ideas and beliefs they hoped to realize but couldn't because their space program stalled for some time after the collapse of the Soviet Union. Dmitry Rogozin said they look up to Elon Musk as a space technology leader and an innovator who isn't afraid to take chances. Indeed, Elon Musk's SpaceX isn't your average corporation. It is a vital strategic participant in the new space competition between the US, Russia, and China, providing the US with significant advantages over its competitors. Elon Musk's SpaceX quickly establishes itself as a critical component of the US military's quest to safeguard its foothold in space's vital high ground. As a result, as Russia's war in Ukraine drags on, SpaceX is likely to be targeted for assault due to the support they provide Ukraine despite Russia's warning. So, what do you think SpaceX should do better to protect itself from a Russian attack? Again, Musk tweeted American broomsticks, alongside a video of a SpaceX launch and a snapshot of Dmitry Rogozin hinting that the US would be unable to reach space without Russian engines. So yes, Elon Musk SpaceX is doing all it can to end Russia's Dmitry Rogozin-led Roscosmos dominance in space. Elon Musk's SpaceX has a fighting shot in the new space race, and hopefully, they will win the contest between Russia versus SpaceX. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share it with friends interested in Elon Musk or Russian space technology. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the following video.